Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. This video provides you the production drawing of knuckle joint. The function of a knuckle joint is it is a mechanical joint used to connect two rods which are under a tensile load. This is one rod, this is another rod. So when there is a requirement of small amount of flexibility or angular movement is necessary, look at this. This is going to insert into this, so this pin is going to insert from this. So there is always axial or linear line of action of load, means this is inserting into this and they are easy to rotate. The question of the production drawing of this knuckle joint is, this is the assembled figure. The question asking like component drawing views, limits, fits and tolerances, geometrical tolerances, surface finish, process sheet. This knuckle joint consists of 5 parts. First one is fork end, second is eye end, third is pin, fourth is collar and fifth is taper pin. 5 parts are there clearly indicated in the figure. So the question asking about drawing the component drawing means individual parts. Next, limits, fits and tolerances, tolerance symbols, geometric tolerances, surface finish and process sheet. Process sheet is very important. Process sheet indicates a step by step procedure to produce particular object. This is the answer. It is nothing but first answer is component drawing, so which we need to draw the individual parts. So 5 parts drawn individually. Look at this. First one is fork end, this is fork end. Second is eye end, this is eye end. Third is pin, this is pin. And fourth is collar, so this is collar. And fifth one is taper pin, this is taper pin. So these are the 5 important parts individually drawn or disassembled from the assembled figure. So the important thing is that we need to maintain always the given dimensions. If the question given like 104 dimension, we should maintain 104 length only. If it is 66, so we need to maintain 66 only. Like that, whatever the length given in the question, that we need to maintain in the answer. So we should not take a as R like 1:2 or 1:3 scales. So if the question mentioned that take as per the scale, suitable scale, or take as per the your like or your wish, or take as per the suitable scale, if this kind of question is there, means you can go for 1:2 or 1:3. This is the process sheet. So process sheet indicates that step by step procedure to produce a particular object. Here we are preparing process sheet for pin. First of all, skeleton of the process sheet is very important. Skeleton means drawing this table and providing some of the information like part number, description, material, size, quantity, time. Above the table only, above the table we should maintain and mention all these information. And also we need to write the columns like serial number, machine required, operations required, tools and gears required, setup time and operations time. These are the columns important and compulsory we need to indicate in the table. This is what the skeleton of the process sheet. So this is the part we are providing or preparing process sheet, that is nothing but pin. So for this pin we are preparing process sheet. First of all, check the raw material. Our first important task is that whenever we are preparing process sheet, we need to check the dimensions of the product, or check the size, or checking the casting. This kind of things are very important. Means first important operation is checking. So that may be with vernier or screw gauge or normal scales or etc. Next, fix the job in the chuck, that is in the lathe machine. Next, face the end, so that is with facing tool, doing the facing operation with facing tool. Next, turning of 24 diameter into 80. Where is 80? This is 80 and 24 is this, so this into this. So this total surface is turning with the turning tool on lathe machine only. Next, reverse the job, again turn 38 into 12. So after facing 38 into 12, this is 38 and this is 12, so 38 into 12. So turning after facing with a turning tool. So fix the job in drill jig with on the drill jig machine. So after that, drilling of holes of 4 diameter. Next, reaming operation, taper ream to 5 diameter mean, or mean diameter is 5, that is taper this place. And next is finally inspect the final object. After producing or after final step, we need to inspect the final object. This is what the process sheet of a pin which is used in the knuckle joint. Next one is preparing mating parts and type of fit table. In this table we are going to indicate how many parts are going to mate each other and what is the type of fit when they are mating each other. First is pin and fork end. This is the pin, we know T-shaped one is pin. Fork end is this one, this is fork end. So fork end is mating with pin, so the type of fit is loose running. Second is fork end and eye end. This is fork end and this is eye end. These two are mating each other. Its type of fit is easy running. So this is very important, how many mating parts are there and what is the type of fit when they are meeting each other, that we need to indicate in this table. Next is tolerance symbols. How many tolerance symbols are there in the question, we need to check that one. So this is look at this, two circle symbol is there, that is concentricity. This single line is there, that is straightness. Any other, this one perpendicularity symbol. So three symbols are there in the answer that we need to indicate. Actually we need to by heart this table, complete table, and we need to indicate those tables. How we can indicate means, wherever the lines are perpendicular 90 degrees, there we need to indicate this perpendicularity symbol. Straightness symbol is used to indicate the straightness of the particular lines, and this concentricity is nothing but whenever the axis is going to same for two diameters, then we will indicate concentricity or coaxiality. This is a way of indicating tolerance symbols in the answer. So this is very important, compulsory, it carries marks. So everyone should by heart this table to indicate some of the symbols in the answer. Next is surface roughness symbols. There are very important three symbols are there. So this is a major important symbol. It indicates for removal of material by machining. Whenever the machining is required, there will indicate this symbol. If you observe in the figure, answer figure, so this triangle symbol, this triangle symbol, and these triangle symbols, this triangle symbol. So these all are triangle symbols which are indicated to show the removal of material. Next is surface roughness values. We can see here above the surface roughness symbol, triangle, above triangle, we can see 12.5, and somewhere we can see values like 3.2 or 6.3. These are the important values. Look at this, 12.5 is for drilling operation. Wherever reaming is there, there we'll use 3.2. Somewhere we can use 0.4 also. Somewhere people will use 6.3 also. These all are surface roughness values which we are going to indicate above the triangle symbol. Here we can see 12.5 above the triangle. This is the symbol of material removal. So above that symbol we need to indicate the surface roughness values. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.